Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of the connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now, an intro class, that surely cannot have very many meanings. A lecture, a lab and a talk, potentially. Are they just all classes or things you might go to at uni? Well, a talk, a lecture and an address are all the same thing. And a speech, so maybe that's a separate group. Maybe intro class is going to be something completely different. Talk, lecture, address, speech. I think this is a better shot. Yeah, that is a spoken presentation, right. So now I'm very confused about what an intro class is going to be. But we will carry on. James Bond, what on earth is that going to go with? Clearly he's a spy, but there aren't 3 other spies. Hot and dry? I mean, dry. I was thinking a dry martini to go with James Bond, but that's not going to be a group you wouldn't have thought. A lab and a bully. They're both dog breeds. And so is Chow Chow and Golden Retriever, or Golden Lab even. I don't think any of the others are, so let's try these 4. They're all dog breeds, okay. Now I'm really confused about what intro class and James Bond are going to go with, because intro class clearly doesn't go with lab either, let alone the other things that I was mentioning earlier that we've already ruled out. So, I mean, maybe there's a James Bond martini and a dry martini. What else could there be? A hot martini and a devil martini? That seems vaguely plausible. Although sandy, hot and vast are also things that could describe a desert. So let's try these 4 first, actually. They're represented by 3-digit numbers. Are they? 420, 666, 101 and 007. Yeah, fair enough. We don't really call intro classes like Maths 101 in this country. That's very American, which is why that did not cross my mind until it told me. But anyway, we've got all the groups, haven't we? Because this is adjectives for a desert, as I said. So that is all the groups and no mistakes. It's a perfect connections game. Little bit surprised by that, but there weren't actually a whole lot of red herrings. It was just difficult to work out what went with what. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.